Okay, so now we have proven these two. From these two we can obtain some byproduct formulas. I don't really call them formulas because these are the main things, and from these two you can always easily derive everything else. But still, I'll go through them. So one of them is, what is sine alpha minus beta? What is sine alpha minus beta? So you just have to replace beta plus beta with minus beta. So here cos, what is cos minus beta? What is cos minus beta? If you remember how the graphs look like, cos looked like this, right? You see, this is symmetric about the y-axis. So if you have plus 30 degree or minus 30 degree, you get the same value of cos. Or this is called an even function. We have not discussed functions, but it is an even function. So if we substitute beta with minus beta, we should still get cos beta. It's the same thing. But how about sine? How about sine? What is sine minus beta? If you remember the plot of sine, it looked like this, something like this. This is called an odd function, where plus 90 you get 1, but minus 90 you get minus 1. It's called symmetric about origin, or an odd function. So to summarize, cos of minus theta is still cos theta, but sine of minus theta is minus sine theta. As you can see here, minus 90 gives you minus 1, that is minus of sine 90, or minus of 1. So sine alpha minus beta would be nothing but this guy will remain the same, sine alpha, because cos negative beta is just cos beta, but here sine minus beta will give me minus outside, so cos alpha sine beta. How about the other formula? If we have cos alpha minus beta, what will happen to this one? No changes, because cos minus beta is still cos beta, cos alpha cos beta. How about this one? Sine of beta, sine of minus beta, it will be, so minus will come out, so we'll have a plus, sine alpha sine beta. You tell me, is this a different formula? No. What may be considered as a different formula is, let's say I have sine 2 theta. What is this? 2 theta. That is when both these angles are same, or let's say sine 2 alpha, when beta equals alpha. So I'll substitute beta with alpha. This will be sine alpha, instead of beta I will write alpha, cos alpha, plus alpha is alpha cos alpha, instead of beta I will write alpha sine alpha. So these two are same, sine alpha cos alpha. So this is nothing but 2 sine alpha cos alpha. This formula can help you get values of angles, such as, if you know sine alpha or cos alpha, you can easily get the twice. Or if you want to read half an angle, for example, if you know sine 45, then you can find sine 22.5. To find this, the better one is to use the better way is to use the cos formula, which I'll do in a bit. Cos 2 alpha. What is cos 2 alpha? Again, if you make beta equals alpha, here you will get cos alpha minus sine alpha sine alpha. So that will be cos square alpha minus sine square alpha. Now sine square alpha can be written as 1 minus cos square alpha, so that will be 1 plus cos square alpha, so 2 cos square alpha minus 1. This is cos 2 alpha. As I was saying, if you have the value of cos 45, what is cos 45? Cos 45 is, what is cos 45? Cos 45 is 1 over root 2. Then what is cos 22.5? Cos 22.5 you can figure out using this formula. Substitute alpha as 22.5, so 2 cos square 22.5 minus 1 equals cos 45, which is 1 over root 2. Then solve it. Cool. The other thing is, other thing is tan. What's this? Tan alpha plus beta. Can you find this using this? Can you? It's just dividing. Divide this. Divide this. What is this? Sin alpha plus beta over cos alpha plus beta. Tan alpha plus beta, right? So this equals this big expression, sin alpha cos beta plus cos alpha sin beta over cos alpha cos beta minus sin alpha sin beta. Now this looks really bad. I want to express everything in terms of tan alpha and tan beta. How do you do that? How do you do that? Let's divide everything by what should I do? Cos alpha sin alpha cos beta. What should I divide everything with? I think I should divide with cos alpha cos beta. Yeah, let's divide with this guy on the top and bottom. So if I divide this guy with this guy, this cos beta will cancel out. I'll have tan alpha plus, if we divide this guy with this guy, cos alpha will cancel out. We'll have tan beta, sin beta over cos beta. Now if we divide this guy with this guy, you'll have 1 minus this guy. If you divide with this guy, you'll have sin alpha over cos alpha is tan alpha, sin beta over cos beta, tan beta. I don't remember these formulas, but I hope this is not wrong. Yeah, looks right. But the mother formulas are these two. If you remember these two, you can pretty much solve every question. Okay.